3-digit number multiplied by 1-digit multiplication number. So let us see now how to multiply 3-digit number by 1 digit with the same concept like previous. Let us start with some easy problem. Let me take 320 into 7. 320 is the 3-digit number, 7 is 1 digit. To multiply this, generally we will take with 7 0 again 7 into 2 7 into 3. So the extra one will carry it forward. So this is all you should remember. Instead of that, if you split the above value, so 320 it is, right? So we can split like this: 300 plus 20. That you can in mind. Keep in mind 320 is 300 plus 20. Now instead of with 7 the total number to multiply, reverse will multiply 300 into 7 first. Just it is 3 into 7 only, because two zeros we can add like friendly. It is simple, we can attach the number side. 3 into 7, that means 300 into 7 indirectly. So 300 into 7, 3 7s it's 21, next 2 zeros will keep. So this work was done internally. Again with 20 the same 7, 20 into 7 just like 2 into 7, 20 into 7 just like 2 into 7, 2 7s are, so 14 and 0. 20 into 7 is 140. We can add this both, 2100 plus 140. So that is simple, 2240. This is the product of 320 into 7. As a simple problem, we just got like this. Let's take one more. So indirectly, you are splitting the first number which is given. There is only concept, and keep in mind those things. For example, let us take 326 instead of 320. Same multiply with 7. So because of 320, 20 at the same time I took. But here we should split separately, that is, just to keep in mind, this is 326, that is 320 and 6. 300 plus 20 plus 6. So to multiply this, we'll take separately. First 300 into 7. Okay. You need not to write everything, just internally in mind. By keeping, you should practice like when you're writing also speak out loudly and practice and write. But practice and keep in mind and do. It's internally it's easy. Little bit practice required. Then problem will be easy. 300 into 7. Okay, this 37 21 0 0. Next 20 into 7. Okay, that is 14. That is immediately can add, like we already perfect in additions. So 2240. For this 2240, just 6 into 7, because last one this is already finished. Now the last one is with the 6 into the same number 7. So 6 into 7, that is just 2, because single digit now we can make it fast. It's a 42, because already a perfect single digit table. 2240 plus 42. Okay, 2282. 2282 is the number. So first second will multiply, we immediately will add, then for that result we can add again multiply the third one. So this work should be done internally in mind, that you can remember. Okay, for example, take one more number, 647, multiply with 4. So according to this, 647. By reading the number only, we can immediately this will come in mind. Need not to write again separately, but you can remember. 647 multiplied by 4. 600. Immediately 600 into 4 will come in mind. 600 means nothing so big, just only 6 into 4. Okay, 647, no? 647. 604. So just in mind, 6 4s are just 24. 2 zeros. Again 600 and next 40 is there. So immediately 40 is in mind. 40 into just 4. 4 4s are 16, just 0. We can add this internally. 2400 we got previous, next 160 we got. That is based on this both. 2000, how much we get? 560. So for this 2560, keep in mind and remember. Next we can, last one is 7 into 4. That is just 28. So by remembering the previous number, you can remember this 282588 2588. Okay, internally calculations part should be done separately. So first two in mind and do, then add by remembering that answer. Last single digits, simple single digits you can multiply and add to this. Okay, this is the method. For example, in this same some other another case I'll show. The other case is simple. In case the numbers are like this, for example 511 into 7. So this directly we can take 500 plus 11. 11 times table is very easy, no? 11 7 77. So 500 into 7, 3500, because 5 sevens are 35, 2 zeros, and 11 sevens 77. Just in mind and add 3577, 3577. The any numbers are combination is like this. For example, 925 into 8. So if you are aware about these numbers, like 25 times table, 25 twos are 50, 25 4 times means 100, 25 8 times is 200. So if you are a little bit having idea about those numbers, instead of taking single digit, like combination you can take with 9 ones, 25 ones. Okay, 9 into 8 is 72. 2 zeros. Okay, 900 into 8. And 28, 25 into 8. 25 is 1/4 of 8 is just 200. 7400. If you have little bit knowledge about this, even like this numbers, like 25 times, 50 times, 11, like 75. So those numbers combinations, if you know, you can take the directly stored units place and tens place at the same time and hundreds place at one time. You can take even here also the 11 at the same I took and 1. So even the 2-digit tables like 12 table, 13 table, also if you're perfect, you can go directly further. Or else we can, this is a method, individually can go and we can go for 3-digit by digit multiplication. Okay, this is the one method we can do calculations internally. So without using pen and paper concept only. By practicing it loudly when you are remembering and saying the number, it will be perfect. Right? Let us see one simple technique next, how to do squaring of any 2-digit number in simple way.